Hello everyone, welcome back to Swathi's Kitchen Diaries. With the monsoon setting in, piping hot tea or chai brings that perfect dose of warmth and happiness in a cup. It is a magical drink that can cure a lot of diseases besides boosting the immune system due to the presence of healing spices. Before moving forward, do consider subscribing to my channel and smashing the bell. Keeps me motivated, guys, and let's move on and look into the process of making the masala chai. And now I'm taking 1 tablespoon of green cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of fennel or saunt. Next, 1 tablespoon of cloves or long, 1 bay leaf, 2 sticks of cinnamon or dalchini, 1 tablespoon of black pepper or kali mirch, quarter piece of nutmeg or jaifal, 4 black cardamoms or badi ilachis. We need only the seeds of this spice, so I'm gently crushing them to extract the seeds. Make it easier to blend in a mixer jar. Now I'm extracting the seeds. It becomes a lot more easier to extract them now. I'm adding them to the pan. Black cardamoms have the ability to treat respiratory conditions like asthma, besides promoting heart and liver health. It also flushes out all the harmful toxins from the body by detoxifying it, thereby improving the skin complexion. Now the outer skin can either be discarded or used to flavor other dishes. Nutmeg is an exotic spice with a lot of health benefits. And now I'm going to roast all the spices on medium to low flame. This process aids in extracting of essential oil by removing whatever little moisture content is present in them. When you can smell the aromas the spices emit, it's time to switch off flame. Cool them down and transfer to a blender. And now at this point I'm adding ginger powder, around 1 tablespoon. If you are using saunt or sonti, you may roast it along with the other spices, blend into a fine powder. Now let's prepare the masala tea now. I am pouring 2 cups of water into a saucepan and bringing it to a boil. And once it's boiling, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tea leaves or chai patti or 4 teaspoons of chai patti. Next, I'm adding 3/4 spoon of masalas that we had prepared and boil until water reduces to half the amount and a thick decoction is attained. Now I'm adding 1 cup of raw milk and sugar as required. I basically add 2 spoons of sugar per cup, so I'm adding 4 spoons of sugar here. Simmer it to boil for 10 minutes. It's been simmering for 10 minutes now. I'm switching off the tea smells great. Now strain the chai into serving cups. Indian masala chai is not just a drink. It is a wholesome cup of values, cultures, traditions, nature, and family. You must be craving for a cup of tea now, right? So while I sit back and relax and enjoy my amazing masala chai, you go ahead and try it. It's quite a wondrous drink, isn't it? What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment box for me to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.